Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinas. Here we are discussing about AIMS NOSET exam second shift answer key, professional answer key. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe. Question starts now. First question, glove cover must be discarded in. Glove cover must be discarded in. So it is easy question. Glove cover must be discarded in black cover. So first question is from BMW, that biomedical waste disposal. So next question, a pattern of fever in which after every 24 hours the temperature falls to normal is termed as. A pattern of fever in which after every 24 hours the temperature falls to normal. That kind of fever. Correct answer is intermittent fever. Next question, which is the southernmost state of India? Which is the southernmost state of India? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India and the southernmost point is Kanyakumari. Next, identify the size of cannula. This is orange size cannula. So the size of cannula is 14 gauge. Orange size cannula is 14 gauge. Next question, which gas pipeline used in OT is white in color? Which gas pipeline used in OT is white in color? That is oxygen. There was a picture of white and blue. So in question it is asked white color pipeline. So white color pipeline carries oxygen. Next question, which immunization make permanent scar at deltoid area? Which immunization makes permanent scar at deltoid area? That is BCG vaccine. BCG vaccine makes permanent scar on the left deltoid area to identify whether the patient got BCG vaccination. Next question, route of administration of BCG. Another question from vaccination. Route of administration of BCG is intradermal. Intradermal is the route of administration of BCG. Next question, what is the use of instrument given here? So what is the use of instrument given here? So this is already we are discussed in last OT instruments video. This is Doyen's retractor. This retractor is used mainly in obstetric and gynecology surgery. Doyen's retractor used in obstetrics and gynecology surgery. We discussed in our OT instruments video, so you can check it there. Correct answer is obstetrics and gynecology surgery. Next question, an ordinary pulse oximeter measure will not an ordinary pulse oximeter will not measure in the option ECG monitor. That is the incorrect option. In pulse oximeter we cannot monitor ECG. So that is the incorrect option given in examination. Next question, what is A stands for ASHA? So in this COVID time, the ASHA worker is a common name we are hearing daily in newspaper and all. So what is the A stands for in ASHA? Correct answer A for accredited. ASHA means accredited social health activists. ASHA means accredited social health activist. Next question, identify the which therapeutic position given here. Identify which therapeutic position given here. So correct answer is Trendelenburg position. In first shift they are asked reverse Trendelenburg position. Here they are directly asked Trendelenburg position, that is head end is lower than foot end. Here foot end is higher than the head end. Head end is lower and foot end is elevated. So in hypotension and all hypovolemic hypertension, we will use Trendelenburg position to make blood flow to the brain and vital organs. We will elevate the foot end. Next question, other name of Sidex. Other name of Sidex, that is glutaraldehyde, and one more solution is there, that is Sidex OPA. That is Sidex OPA, that is also a disinfectant that contains orthophthaldehyde. Orthophthaldehyde. Sidex contain glutaraldehyde and Sidex OPA contain, OPA means orthophthaldehyde. Next question, first aid nursing management of chemical accident for foreign body on the cornea. First aid nursing management of the chemical accident foreign body on the cornea, that is we need to flush the eye with water or normal saline. Eye wash is the primary management of the chemical chemical accident on the cornea. Wash the eye with water, plenty of water or normal saline. Next question, who wrote the national anthem of India? Who wrote the national anthem of India? That is Sri Rabindranath Tagore. Sri Rabindranath Tagore wrote national anthem of India, that is Jana Gana Mana. Next question, what is the role of naloxone challenge testing in the workup of opioid abuse? What is the role of naloxone challenge testing in the workup of opioid abuse? Correct answer is to check physical dependence. Naloxone challenging test is used to check physical dependence of opioid abuse. Next question, who is the current president of India? Correct answer is Sri Ramnath Kovind. Current president Sri Ramnath Kovind. Next question, identify the image. This question we are asked in our community group. So recently, that is also next previous month only. This is actually HME filter. This is HME filter, heat moisture exchange filter, that is HME. Next question, WHO headquarters situated in. WHO headquarters situated in Geneva, Switzerland. Next question, which size cannula is used for 4-month-old infant? Which size cannula is used for 4-month-old infant? That is yellow color cannula, size is 24. Yellow color cannula, size is 24. Next question, Rafale jet flight came to India from which country? Rafale jet flight came to India from France. Next question, which city is known as Electronic City of India? Which city of India is known as Electronic City of India? That is Bangalore. Bangalore known as Electronic City of India. Next question, identify the procedure demonstrated here. This question also we are discussing in our image based questions. You can watch there. If you have watched our video previously, you got the mark. Another mark. This is Heimlich maneuver. If foreign body aspiration suspected, we will do Heimlich maneuver to remove the foreign body. Correct answer is Heimlich maneuver. Next question, which vaccine should not freeze? Which vaccine should not freeze? Correct answer, DPT and TT. Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus and TT vaccine, tetanus toxoid vaccine. These two should not freeze. Next question, permanent sterilization method in male, that is vasectomy. Permanent sterilization method in male is vasectomy. Next question, normal suction pressure for an adult. Normal suction pressure for an adult. Correct answer, 70 to 150 millimeter of mercury. Normal suction pressure in adult, that is 70 to 150 millimeter of mercury. Next question, in which stage of bedsore affecting the bone? The bone is exposed. That is in 4th stage of bedsore. In 4th stage, bone is exposed. Next question, Murphy sign is seen in cholecystitis. Next question, in isoflurane and sevoflurane, which one is having pungent smell? in isoflurane and sevoflurane, which one is having pungent smell? Pungent smell means that is very difficult to smell. That is isoflurane. Isoflurane have the smell of alcohol. That is pungent smell. It will irritate the person. Next question. Why nail paint of the patient removed before surgery? Why nail paint of the patient removed before surgery? Everyone should answer this question because this is easier one. Because check proper SpO2 level. If nail polish is not removed, the sensor cannot check the SpO2 of the patient. That is why nail polish should be removed. And assessment of the sinus is also difficult. Next question. Nasogastric tube should be discarded in which color coded bag? Nasogastric tube will go to the red color bag. Next question. Suction pressure required for infant. Suction pressure required for infant. Correct answer is 40 to 60 mg. This is a little doubtful answer. Please verify it. 40 to 60 mmHg. So please verify this answer. Next question. Blood vessel in the umbilical cord. Blood vessels in the umbilical cord, that is 2 arteries and 1 vein. Umbilical cord contains 2 arteries and 1 vein. Next question. Which pelvis shape has poorest prognosis for vaginal delivery? Which pelvis shape has poorest prognosis for vaginal delivery? That is platypaloid. Sorry. And correct answer is platypaloid pelvis. This is wrong answer shown here. Platypaloid pelvis is correct answer. Next question. In which color bag body part should be discarded? In which color bag body part should be discarded? That is in yellow color. Body part should be discarded in yellow color. That is for incineration. Next question. Erythropoietin helps in. Erythropoietin helps in. Correct answer RBC synthesis. Next question. Red color urine is caused by which ATT, anti-tubercular drug? That is rifampicin. Rifampicin causes red color urine. Next question. Severe vomiting may leads to what condition in ABG? Severe vomiting that may lead to. Correct answer is metabolic alkalosis. It is not acidosis because acid is losing due to the vomiting. Stomach acid, that is hydrochloric acid, is we are losing due to the severe vomiting. So there will be lack of acid, then it will leads to the metabolic alkalosis. The correct answer is metabolic alkalosis. This is wrong. Next question. Rickets is due to vitamin deficiency. Rickets is due to which vitamin deficiency? That is vitamin D. The question has some changes. So correct answer is vitamin D. Next question. Which type sutures are used in vascular surgery? Which type sutures are used in vascular surgery? That is monofilament non-absorbable. Correct answer is monofilament non-absorbable sutures. Next question. Position used for thoracentesis. Position used for thoracentesis, that is sitting position. Sitting position, the fluid will collect at the base of the lungs, so we can easily remove the fluid from through thoracentesis. By this sitting position, fluid will accumulate at the lower base of the lungs. Then we can insert the needle and we can drain the pleural fluids. So that is why sitting position is used. Next question. Identify the image. Identify the image. This also already we are discussed in our image based questions. So you can answer this question also. This is girdle airway. Girdle airway. This is oral airway. We will keep this airway into the mouth to prevent biting of the ET tube, or we can do suctioning through this airway. So two main functions they are: first we can reduce the biting of the ET tube, and another way we can easily insert suction through this oral airway. And one more thing, we can also use to prevent the tongue falling. Oral airway also helps to prevent the tongue falling in sleep apneic patients. Next question: resolution of camera are measured in. Resolution of camera are measured in megapixel. That is, you can just see our phone to 16 megapixel, 32 megapixel, 64 megapixel. The resolution is measured in megapixel. Next question: initial sign of increased ICP in an infant after ventriculoperitoneal shunt. Initial sign of increased ICP in an infant after ventriculoperitoneal shunt, that is in bulging of the fontanelle. Bulging of the fontanelle we can assess by palpating the fontanelle. It will show bulging. Next question: third planet from the sun. Third planet from the sun. Easy question. That is Earth. That is our Earth. So that is about first part of the second shift AIIMS NONSET examination. We will discuss more questions in another second part. So best wishes for all candidates. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Nurse. Like, share and subscribe.